How's it going, YouTube? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to wipe data, factory reset this device right here. This is the Samsung Galaxy S8, and we're going to be doing this process in stock Android recovery. Okay, so the way to do this is you're going to power off the device, or if you're having trouble because the device isn't booting up, you know, no big deal, you can just hold the buttons, right? And I'll show you how to get into this. Whoa, that's a loud vibration. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold a couple buttons on this device once the device is powered off. Or technically you could even hold it if it's stuck in a boot loop. It should do the same thing. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to hold your Bixby button, your volume up button, and your power button. So it's a lot to hold here. Let's see if I can do it all. So first Bixby, then power, volume up, then power. You just keep holding them. And just keep holding. So you see that. Then you can let go. Okay? So we did Bixby, then volume up, and then power. So right now it says there is no commands. So the way to get past this process is really not too hard. So one, you can wait. So that's one way. Hopefully it'll do this for you. Okay? If you can't do this with the waiting method, the other way to get into this, if it doesn't ever come off no commands, is you hold power for like 2 or 3 seconds and then you tap the volume up button. Generally that will do it. The other method would be to hold volume up for 2 or 3 seconds and tap power. One of those two things will bring it off that no command screen and you'll be able to get into recovery like this. Alright, now that we're in recovery, let's take a closer look at this thing. So stock Android recovery is really simple to use. The big things you're going to point out up here is information about your device, your build number. It's all on the top here in this like yellow orange looking color. It does give you directions. Basically volume up and down is to scroll and power is to select. This is pretty simple. And we're going to scroll through the options and we're going to go down. So we're going to use volume down. So reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data, factory reset. That's the one we want. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And then we're going to scroll down here and say yes, go ahead and do it. And the device is factory resetting in. It's now factory reset. The other options in here that are pretty interesting is you can wipe cache partition. This is helpful if you're having problems with the device just being wonky. You can do this and it doesn't wipe anything critical. It just rebuilds cache as you use it. So that's an easy thing to wipe if you're having troubles. Otherwise, pretty much it. A couple other options as you go down, but nothing too important. From here, we're just going to reboot system now with power, and the device will go ahead and boot up. So once we go ahead and boot up this device, as you can see here, it'll go right back to the setup wizard, and you'll be able to set it up like a brand new device. A couple things to note as you're going through this process. If you do get this factory reset and it's requiring a PIN or password or your previously signed in Google account to unlock the device, this is very normal. This is a security measure that Google's implemented back in Android 5, and you will have to put that information in to get the device unlocked. That security feature is called FRP, or Factory Reset Protection. If you're having trouble with that security measure on your device, hey, I'm going to link you to a whole playlist of videos on ways to bypass that security so that you can get back into your device if you don't have those credentials. But otherwise, you know, as long as you have that, you can just go ahead and sign right in with your Google account or your PIN and password, and it'll unlock that feature and let you finish the setup of the device. Alright, there you go. The device has fully finished its initial boot up after the factory reset. This device is complete and we are back at the welcome screen. We turn off that microphone or that little sound, and there you go. That's it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you have. Stay tuned for more videos on smartphones and tablets and all kinds of goodies here at the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Root Junkie out.